Hello, a warm welcome here today to Connie Decorates, and Micha the cameraman is here too. Exactly. And here again, Maritime, a ship here with us in the ball. Very quickly. And I still find it decorative, right, Micha? Yes, that's right. Really great. Maritime. Yes. And here I also have a Muhlenbeckia, which was in a container that was much too small to recover a bit. Then we already have a bit of the heather here. It's slowly starting with the heather. An old ivy. We bought the grass and we had stones and shells. And we thought, let's make a sail again. And that will find its place here now. Place. And if you want to know how this theme works, stay tuned because we'll show you now. And this is the base today. This is the planting ball we need today. Last year in summer, we planted it with black-eyed Susan and many other plants all around. And it has really grown superbly. But now it's late summer and we want to make this bowl a bit maritime and really try to integrate it into the garden. And of course make it cozy again with light and a few plants. For that we need 2 different grasses. Then I have here in our heath a slightly taller one and a trio. So 3 different shades of green. What I definitely need to get now, I have a Muhlenbeckia here in a pot. It absolutely needs to be taken out. And here in front, I have a birch branch. We decorated it during the Christmas at the fountain, where we made this fir tree ourselves. This DIY fir tree. Then I have this cotton ribbon here, an outdoor string of lights. I don't have any more wire string lights. That's why I'm using these, and I have a nail, a hammer, a branch, and garden shears. Exactly. These are the things we need, and a lot of soil. And this time we've drilled a lot of holes in the bottom with the cordless drill. Micha will show that quickly. Exactly. Lots of holes so we don't get waterlogging. And don't have to put in drainage because the bowl is really huge. And I would say let's put some soil in here first. We had to go out again to get some nice soil because it's so big. Our soil wasn't enough anymore. Micha was so kind and filled it up to the top now. That really suits me perfectly today. And I would say I'll go ahead and take my plants in the grass here. And since this pot is supposed to stay in this pot, I think, it really feels wonderful to incorporate this here. And the heather can also look really nice here at the front. Look, the green is fantastic. And I'll get the rest of the Muhlenbeckia. Yes, and I even found a full one that was in a plant basket on the terrace. And I have now taken it out because it's sprouting extremely strongly right now. Out. And the Muhlenbeckia here doesn't look so good anymore. But it will probably do great here. And I would say I'll position it now. Let's take all the plants out of the pot and plant them here now. And
take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa.
Nicely filled up here with soil, namely heather. It fits in there really well, and we like it. Especially here with the heather in these different shades of green. The Muhlenbeckia can recover well here, and the ivy can also grow really well. And I have this birch branch here, and I'm going to stick it right in the middle at the back of the pot. And I will press it down firmly so that it is somewhat stable, and I think it is. You can also place large stones at the back if it's not quite stable. But this is definitely sufficient here. I cut this branch right here in the middle. Then I take my cotton band here. Wrap this around the branch. It's really cool here that it has a little branching. That means if I pull it up now, it can't go upwards. And it has a natural stop here. You can also wrap it with wire to make it even more secure. But I think this way the miracle will hold. And this branch, I will now attach it here. Insert the side into the plant bowl Then pull the band up to the branch. And now with the hammer and nail the band once here into the branch, or fix it with a branch. This actually goes relatively quickly. The nail is in, the band holds tight, and now you can proceed with the roll here on the other side. And we do that too. Then I can pull it nice and tight and now take the other branch. And here I now insert the other branch and fix the band like on the other side. I'll just quickly check how it holds. I'll just tie a double knot here, but it holds wonderfully.
We used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore.
That's always good. And I would say, here the string lights. This is an outdoor string light. You can always tell by this compartment, they are always extra protected. Unfortunately, I don't have any wire string lights left because that would be perfect. You could wrap them around here perfectly, but the last one I had for outdoor use, it's still in this natural wreath of ours, and that's why just here now, this string light, and I start here at the bottom on one side and would say 34. Now you can wrap it around the rope here. Then it holds a bit better. It goes all the way to the top, wrapped around once up here. Perfect. You don't even need wire because that would be a bit of a shame. Especially if it's standing here in the rain, it would rust faster. But it fits perfectly like this. And now I'm going around the other side like this again.
Well, let me run.
There, it's so long, the string light. It's actually not bad if we lay it down here in our grass again. Either place it right in the middle of the grass or lay it around like this. And I think, look, the plants are wonderfully showcased again. Then I have a few stones. Here you can wonderfully decorate the box or maybe even add some shells.
Through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves.
Ship, yeah, I would just say Rickmas, or what's it called? Rickmas from Hamburg, yes. Exactly, we saw it today or yesterday on the Elbe. And that inspired us, of course, to make another ship like this. And if not in summer, then when in your life? And we really hope that we could inspire you again today. We are excited to place this ship right by our pond. It fits in quite well here with all the others. And when the light comes on, it just becomes wonderfully cozy again. So, dear ones, if we have inspired you, give us a thumbs up, a kind comment, feedback, and feel free to offer criticism. We would be very happy. And I would say we'll see each other in the coming days, right, Micha? Yes, or at the workshop. Or at the workshop exactly on the 24th September at Hof Ilkers. Please take a look down here in the video description. There you'll find a link to our website. And, of course, also to decorative items and to the map of Hof Ilkers, the workshop with me. I would really be delighted. And Micha said he will be there. He's even making a film. He's involved, and we're really looking forward to it. So stay healthy, feel hugged. Yours, Conny and Micha, Raman. See you then. Bye.
When they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh,